Hey YouTube friends and fans, guess what I bought this week? And no, it's not the two grills. I never thought I'd own one. It's a car dolly. It's in pretty good shape and it needs a little love. On the way home, actually when I picked it up, I plugged it in, lights didn't work. So we're gonna kind of hit that real quick, see what's up. And I watched some videos. They say safety chains would be a second added safety feature to the straps, so we'll add those too. So stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So now we've got the battery charger hooked up for the power. Got the ground on the actual tongue of the trailer. I think the ground itself's bad. You guys tell me what happens back there. Hey, I see lights. Must be a turn signal, I'm guessing. I can't see it from here. What do you guys see? I'll just take this ground off, sand down where it was at. It was spray painted, and we'll move on from there. Not too bad. You notice you don't see much shiny metal there. Paint has kind of went down around it, so we'll clean that up. That quick, that shiny. Second item, where the tires are at, I have a hole here. I'm going to bolt the chain that I have in the garage. Got a spare piece. Ta-da, my spare piece. I think we'll bolt it right here. I think we'll mount it right here. It'll go up around the control arm and lock back into place against the chain. Let's go in the other side of the garage, test it, and cut one out when we find the right length. Alright, so we got the chain laying here. Take a handful of it, put it up over the lower control arm. I think that's pretty good there. To the front of the tire, almost. Gonna add a hook yet. Let's go cut the other one. So with my piece of chain laid out, I'll just mark it and use it as the template. Two pieces of chain. Let's get it all installed. Went to Lowe's and bought these quick links. I'm going to put a dab of thread locker on them. And I had these little guys here, so I guess it helps if you attach it to the chain, you know. Did you catch it before I did it? Tell me in the comments you did. I'll believe you, be honest. One side down. And I can hook it up just like that when we're going down the highway. I know I got nothing in there. I'm just trying to spread out the thread locker a little. Ta-da! That was an easy, quick project. Now looking it over, I'm going to change out one last item. I'm going to put in a clevis style pin with a handle. I'll show you a picture here off to the side. I think that'll make it easier to get in and out, and it will be more secure. Ain't much else to do other than put a car on it, get the straps out. I think just for safety's sake, since I did this with the chains, I'm gonna buy new straps. They're 30 bucks. Well friends, thanks for watching. If you see something else I should remedy, take care of, let me know. I'm going to walk you around it so you can see it, and thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber.
Next level.
Did come with new tires. Don't think those are the right size. I bought a new pin for it. See where my chains are going to lay. I think that'll work just fine. Platform does swivel and pivot. I don't even think the plastic's been taken off of that reflector. Alright, thanks for watching. See you around.